Today we're going to be tying the Ninch's fish finder worm. For this we're going to be using a size 16. I'm going to be using a Scud pupa hook. It's a Dairiki number 135, size 12. We're going to be using a matte colored bead from Firehole Outdoors, some micro Chenille. We're going to be using some red holographic tinsel and some red wire. So for this, I went ahead and burned one end of my micro Chenille, and I went ahead and fed the bead through. We just need to feed that hook through the front of the bead here. Let's get that on. We can go ahead and pull some more of that micro Chenille through. We're going to pull that back and out of the way for now. We're going to be taking some red thread here. Once you get your thread started on the shank of the hook, go ahead, cut your tag end off. You don't want to build up too much of an underbody here. We are going to be wrapping the wire in. Like, just put this off on the side of the hook. Just work your way back down the hook into the bend. Chenille does like to move around, as you see here. And once you get back into that bend, go take some of your red holographic tinsel. What we're going to be doing with this tinsel is making a nice shiny underbody. If you don't have red holographic tinsel, you can use just plain holographic tinsel like you use for wingbacks on a pheasant tail nymph. Once you got your holographic tinsel wrapped in, just go ahead and work your thread up to right behind the bead. Sorry. And just go ahead and wrap your tinsel up the body of the fly here. It's a perfect pattern to use during high waters when terrestrials get washed out of the bank into the stream. Just kind of trying to even the body out there. So I was taking so many wraps with that tinsel. Once you have that tinsel tied in, go ahead and trim the excess. You're going to go ahead and pull your micro Chenille down the body. Take your red wire, gonna wrap up the body, making sure that you're not rolling your micro Chenille too much, or if at all, if you can prevent it. Go ahead and tie this off. As you can see here, I'm kind of wrapping the thread around the wire there. Just grip it in nice and tight. Either cut it or helicopter it. I'm having a little issue with my wire not wanting to break off from the helicopter. Also too, if you don't have these matte beads, you can get them from Firehole Outdoors, or if you want to do something a little bit more flashy, you can always use just regular gold or silver bead. Build up your thread base there. Trim your micro chenille to length there on the tail end. Just go ahead and burn it while your chenille does not fall apart. And there you have the Ninch's Fish Finder worm. Thank you for joining us today on the Waterflies. We'll see you next time.